Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for a PayPal debit card. First thing I want you to do is go ahead and log in to your PayPal account, and then you just come here at the top panel, you click on a wallet, and then depending on your country, you'll actually see the option here to apply for a PayPal debit card. If you don't see the option, you can just go ahead and go to your browser and just search for sign up PayPal debit card. Click on this first link, you can see digital wallet, manage money, and then they redirect you to this page where you can go ahead and sign up. Now, if you don't see it, if you see this error, that means in your country it's not available. Usually you should see something like this. Then you just tap here on get the card. It'll redirect you to login. You log in, you fill in your details, and they'll go ahead and mail the physical PayPal cash card to you. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.